Hello everyone. Let's check out the topic about building up narrative model with command, actor, and aggregate. Let's get into the topic. As you can see here, you can see a pre-built model from the workspace like this. And when you check out the order bounded context, you only can see events, two events from there, right? So the title of the topic is to attach command, actor, and aggregate for actually order bounded context. So let's think about what command is about. Before thinking about command, let's think about or review about what events are about. So as you saw already with the previous topics, we start the modeling process by identifying the important events in the system we are modeling. An event is a factual statement of occurrence. For example, order placed. In other words, a set of events is a historical record of things that have happened in our system or business. We will always express events in the past tense to reflect this. In theory, we can model an entire business, no matter how complex, as a flow of events. In practice, however, it will be virtually impossible to gather tens of thousands of stakeholders from a large company in the same room in order to make any meaningful progress. For this reason, we must limit an event storming session to a targeted area of the business, not a targeted area of the technology. And further break down the process flows into domains and subdomains. And then, as you can see here, online event storming platform like MSA Easy Modelo is one of the good choice for you to make your own modeling for your service. And then let's think about what commands are about. Commands are often the trigger for a sequence of one or more events, edit as blue sticky notes to signal intent. While events are irrefutable statements about the past, commands express our intent for something to happen in the future. However, commands can be refuted. For example, a command to put an order might be rejected if the client's payment is not valid, right? So commands are always present tense intentions, whereas events are always past tense facts. And let's think about what aggregates are about. As a domain object within the boundary that can be treated as a unit, it consists of one root entity and other entities plus value object. Put simply, an aggregate is a collection of data objects that serve a unique business purpose. For example, pizza order domains aggregate has order, consumer, and restaurant. The order aggregate has entities named order, delivery info, and payment info, and the order entity is associated with a VO named order line item. And order line item have a one-to-many relationship. And then let's think about actors and reactions. Events happen because of a reason, such as user-initiated commands or machine-initiated commands. The most common trigger of an event are user-initiated commands. Users are called actors in event storming parlance and attached to a command, is the small yellow sticky. The main reason to use actor notation is that it makes planning and estimation much easier in later phases of modeling. And command with an actor associated with it will automatically be of interest to UI and UX teams, who can easily visualize the scope of their work. Reactions, also known as policies, help to model system-initiated commands in response to events happening. For instance, we may want to initiate a command when something else happens. It's this when-then notation that makes reactions very handy to use in modeling workshops. By convention, reactions are represented using lavender sticky notes. We can insert them between an event or a command, which makes it easy to model policies with multiple commands being triggered from one event, or to attach the lavender sticky directly to a command, where a policy only has a single command associated with it. So let's attach commands, actor, and aggregate. So about attach, as I told you already, it is user-initiated things, right? So you can see a command sticky note like this, and then you can name it as it is about send a command to order placed event. In this case, I think I can name it like place order. So place order is a command. And then for order cancelled, I can name it cancel order. The cancel order is a command to order cancelled event. And then we already can check, if there are commands like this, there should be aggregate. So I like to name it as order. And then for order aggregate, aggregate is usually used to contain some information to send to a destination service. So I like to specify some attributes like this: product ID, and then product name, and then quantity. So as you can see here, you can see the information about aggregate like this. Lastly, I think I have to put an actor, and then the actor should be customer, right? So you can see actor sticky note from here, so you can drag and drop here, and then I would like to name it customer. So this is the way how you can attach command, actor, and aggregate. This is the end of this topic. Thanks for watching.